Okay, so I finished the bike late last night. Not real late, but I apologize that I did not show priming the lifters and doing the push rods. I got involved with this and forgot to bring the camera back out. So, but it's done. Um, so, let's hear it. Chokes on, keys on. Give it a couple, 3 wicks of the throttle. So there we go. I'm giving the client specific braking instructions. And then at 300 miles, he's going to bring it back and I'm going to dump the oil and we'll check it. We'll check all the major components. So this bike, I did a 10K service plus cams. So it will be ready to rock and roll. I'm expecting to see him this afternoon. He wants to go ride. He asked me if I'd go with him. So I told him I would. I have to prepare my dirt bike Friday morning, day after Thanksgiving. I'm leaving for Hollister, so I told him I had a little bit of time, but I can't go out for super long. So probably put down 100 miles maybe today. All right. Thank you for tuning into the videos. Happy holidays and ride safe.